Fossils of the largest predatory dinosaurs, Death Shadow, have been found in Argentina. Argentine paleontologists have announced the discovery of a predatory dinosaur that measured 3 floors from nose to tail and annihilated its prey and sharp, curved claws. This discovery is the largest dinosaur in the raptor family ever recorded. The 5-ton giant, the largest megaraptor ever found, ate smaller dinosaurs, which it tore into pieces with its talons before digging into their guts, paleontologist Miro Aranciaga told. It would have been the ultimate predator of its time, says Aranciaga, fully deserving of its monstrous scientific name, Maiamathrothorax. The first part, Miap, comes from the mythological evil figure of the Patagonia, native Anokin people. The protagonist is associated with a death shadow that kills with a cold wind in the Andes, according to a study that reported their findings in the journal Nature Scientific Reports. The second part, the macrothorax, refers to the enormous width of the creature's chest cavity, about 4 feet wide. The newly identified monster was 9 to 10 meters long, making it larger than any megaraptor species discovered so far. A group of carnivorous giants that Aranciaga's team said once roamed with what is now South America. It lived about 70 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period in what was then the rainforest long before the Andes and glaciers that now define Patagonia. The reptile was found in Estancia La Anita, an area that looked very different 70 million years ago. There are water and land snails, plants with very different affiliations. It's a forest, almost like a jungle with puddles, lakes, rivers and various creatures like frogs, turtlefish, small birds and mammals, said the statement. The area now looks like a cinematic dream landscape, paleontologists say. Today is a place surrounded by huge mountains, glaciers and lakes which require us to walk for hours in extreme weather conditions, Aranciaga said. This is a place that today offers incredible views worthy of a film about the Lord of the Rings. The killer reptile has 2 sharp, curved claws on its 4 legs, each 40 centimeters long. Aranciaga, now 29 years old, was lucky enough to find Miap's first piece of his first professional expedition 3 years ago to the Argentine province of Santa Cruz. This led to the excavation, cleaning and classification of a large storehouse of bones for months. The spine as well as parts of the ribs, femur, tail and arms. When I lifted the spine and saw that it had characteristics of a megaraptor, it was a real sensation, recalls Aranciaga. According to Fernando Munovas of the Argentine Museum of Natural Sciences Laboratory of Comparative Anatomy, Miap was one of the large megaraptors to inhabit Earth before the dinosaurs went extinct about 66 million years ago. It is also the southernmost megaraptor ever discovered, added Aranciaga, a graduate student at Argentina's National Council for Scientific and Technical Research. Patagonia is another important paleontological discovery site. In 2019, a herbivorous dinosaur was discovered in the region, which repelled predators with a row of spikes on its back and lived 140 million years ago. And in 2014, scientists announced that they had found the skeleton of a previously unknown species of large dinosaur, one of the largest land animals ever found. Thanks.